Introduction to Managing Python Libraries.
Libraries are essential building blocks in Python projects, offering extra tools and features. However, as projects grow, you may need to upgrade libraries for new features or remove ones you no longer use. Understanding how to safely manage these libraries keeps your code base stable and up to date.
Upgrading libraries with pip.
To upgrade a library in Python, the most common tool is pip. Open your terminal and type pip install upgrade library name. This command downloads and installs the latest version of the specified library. Always review your code to ensure it is compatible with any changes from the upgrade.
Uninstalling libraries safely.
To remove an unused or problematic library, use the command pip uninstall library name. This deletes the library from your environment. Check your code to make sure nothing depends on the library beforehand to avoid unexpected errors.
Managing requirements files.
Projects often use a requirements.txt file to track library versions. When you upgrade or uninstall a library, update this file to reflect the changes. This makes it easier to share your project with others or set it up again later.
Best practices for smooth upgrades.
Before upgrading or removing libraries, consider backing up your project or using a virtual environment. Test your code after making changes to catch any issues early. Reading the library's release notes can also help you avoid compatibility problems.